Welcome back, teachers. In this video, this is my continuation. This is step 2. Okay, in my previous videos I have shown you step 1, where you can create your subjective and objective question and save it to the teacher's repository. That I have shown you in my previous videos. Now this is the step 2 video, what you have to do. Okay, so first again I am showing you. I will click on weekly test. So when I click on weekly test, my step 2 starts from here. I will click on manage question paper. I will click on create question paper. My step 2 is to create a question paper. My previous videos I have designed questionnaires which I have kept. Okay, so in this video I will click on create question paper. So when I click on create question paper, this is the page which is open. Okay, so it's written create question paper. Now evaluation category I will select weekly test. Total time I will select, suppose 5 minutes I have selected. Maximum marks suppose 2 marks. Question language suppose English. For Hindi teacher they can write Hindi. Board I will select ICSC. So when I click ICSC I will select class. Class I will write 10 suppose, because previously I have designed 10 questionnaire. 10 I have selected. Subject I will select suppose physics, because previously I created question for physics. Section, class section. Section I have to click A. Okay. Question paper I will write, suppose an example I am writing. I will write chapter name, suppose chapter name was force. Then I will put comma. Then suppose which class, this is 10A. Again comma, my name is Bijoy, so I will write Bijoy. Okay, so that I don't have any confusion later on, because when I will be creating many papers, then at the end of the day I will face a problem. I will forget which question paper which I have created for which chapter. Okay, so that's why I'm creating this kind of names, so it's easy for me to understand. Okay, number of section means in a paper how many sections do you want. You want 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. Okay, which I have explained in my trainings also repeatedly. Okay, I'm just showing you a shortcut one for your just class test purposes. Okay, but when you will do for half yearly or annually, you have to select 1 section you want to select, or 3-4 section, because usually in the final exam in 100 paper marks or 80 paper marks, you have in some of the schools they do 3 section, they do 4 section. So section part is totally depending upon you. I'm selecting 1. Paper instruction, kindly attempt all question. This is the instruction which I have written. Okay, or I can this is the question. Okay, manual. Now question inclusion method, I will click manual. So when I click manual, this is the page which has appeared. Okay, see, manual I have clicked. I don't have to select this question characteristics. I don't have to select question level also here. Okay, just I will click on question source. So question source will be my teacher's question, and even I have to select extra marks question also, but later on I will not select extra, but here both should be ticked. Okay, now chapter was force, so I have clicked on force, and I will click save. Am I clear? So save I have cleared. So when I click save, the next part comes. I have to make a manual structure of my paper. So here the section time, how will I know what is section time? Because the earlier in the previous page I have given 5 minutes for this test paper, so I will write 5 here. Rule set, I don't have to do anything. Okay, question type objective. Suppose I want to give 1 objective and 1 subjective question, suppose example. So number of question I will select 1. Now question marks is 1, and I will click here. So when I click, total marks is automatically it has taken, because there is a calculator which we have designed here. So total marks is always automatically selected. Now I want to give 1 objective and 1 subjective question, but here I cannot select both objective and subjective. So one part so in section A I will create two parts, one for objective and one for subjective. So how to do it? I will click on add more. Okay, see, section A only 5, one objective, subjective here. So I will click one mark, one question, one marks, done. Okay, so this is how I can do. If I am planning a paper, suppose there are 10 marks paper where I am giving 5 objective type and suppose 6 objective type and 2 marks, 2 questions of subjective. Okay, so this is how I will be designing it. Okay, now I will click, I don't have to select anything here anymore. I will just click next. So when I click next here, this page will open. Now here can you see search teachers question? So when I click here, I have to click on this plus button. Okay, so I have clicked plus. Now I have to search my question which I have created. So subject I have to give physics, chapter I have given force, topic was moment of force. Okay, now I will click search. So when I click search, can you see these questions I have designed? These 2 questions I have designed, one was objective and one was subjective, and this question I have designed earlier. Okay, so whatever chapter, this chapter, whatever I have designed a question here, these are the 3 questions which I have. So I just want to add a question now. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to scroll up. Can you see section A? Now here there will be a plus button. I have plused. I will click on add question. So when I click add question, it will automatically come down. So now I can select, suppose I will select one objective. Okay, so I will click here use. So when I click use, it has turned green. This question has turned green. Green means it has selected it, and can you see my question has come up here? Okay, so this is how objective question I have selected. Same way I will select subjective also. If you have given 10 questions, the same manner you have to click individual question, add question. So now I will add subjective one. Suppose again I will click add question and I will click on subjective. See, it's written subjective here, so I will click here. But suppose by mistakenly if I click on objective in subjective, then it will not accept. It will say question type subjective does not match. Okay, so in subjective type I have to click subjective only. See, it's added. Okay, so I have selected objective also and subjective also. O for objective, S for subjective. Okay, now I have done, my 2 questions is set. I will scroll down, down I will come and I will click on save paper. Okay, but before save paper, I want to even show you how you can select extra marks repository also. It's not compulsory that you have to design that one. You have to take teachers repository only. So to search extra marks question, you have to click on this plus, and subject I will select physics, chapter I will select force, topic I will select moment of force, and I will search. So when I click search, can you see these are all extra marks repository? So same manner, if you want to take one question from extra marks and one from yours, you can do that, but you have to select search extra marks question. Okay, the same way you can add also. Okay, so now I'm just saving it. So now when I save, question paper has been saved successfully. Now this is my paper. Okay, now first icon stands for if you want to view the paper again. See, this is the paper, how it will look to students. From this button you can edit the paper before you freeze it. Okay, but once if you freeze it, you cannot edit anymore. Am I clear? Third one is your freeze button. See, paper freeze, it's written, it's freeze button. If you press this one, you cannot edit anymore into this question. Okay, so please check it before. Now this is your download paper. So this is, if you click here, so I'm just downloading it. This is for your, so that you can send it to school for one copy. Okay, so I'm just saving in desktop. So this is your paper. So one copy you can send to school also for records if you want. Now I'm just freezing it. So I've just freezed it. My second step is complete. till here my second step is complete, step 2 complete. Okay, thank you teachers.